Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel a subscription in Rocket Money. So to cancel all the subscription in this app, you can either have Rocket Money attempt the cancellation for you, like the premium feature, or follow the manual cancellation instructions provided in the app. So actually guys, first you will need just to open the Rocket Money on your phone, and then you will need to tap the recurring tab that you can find on the settings right here at the top left, and then go with profile right here. So if you already have subscription, you will find it listed just right here. So just go with profile here, and if your account is approved, you will find the recurring tab just right here. If not yet, you will find an option like the account sharing. So once you click on enable or disable, you will find an option like try for 0.00, right? So just tap on it, and here you will find your plan, right? Or all plans, right? So just select all to view all subscriptions, and then you will find an option something like 3 points or dots menu next to the subscription. So right there you can choose cancel, right? So just select cancel this for me if available, or view instructions to cancel it yourself, and then just complete the short form if Rocket Money is handling the cancellation. Right. So if you don't see a cancel option, some providers cannot currently be canceled through the app. So in those cases, the Rocket Money will provide instructions for cancellation or canceling directly with the service, and subscriptions built through third parties such as Apple, Google Play, Amazon, Roku, or PayPal usually must be canceled through those platforms. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.